Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take partials on Admirals. So let's start right here with first going to the correct trading account. And we can do this by going to trade and then click right here on portfolio. Then right there we can select the trading account that we want to use. And if you can see on this trading account, I don't have any trade standing right here open. Then we click here on this one and now I will find all my trades. Now this was the first trade that I made. So I want to take partials from this trade. Now it's red, it's not that good, but this is a demo account, so it doesn't matter. So we click right here on this order and then we go right here to close position. Now you will find right here close partially. We select that one and now we can select right here how many lots we want to close. So let's say I want to close one lot, that is fine. Confirm, there we go. And now we close right here one lot because now it's standing on 0.02. I can also refresh my page and then you see right here that it's still there. So this is how you can take partials right here from Admirals. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.